Okay, backtesting every day to trade better day 21. Currently continuing to backtest all-time high conditions. And I'll start the timer. And we'll get right to it. Okay, we have December 31. We got some orange folder news. Nothing that really matters. I'll also start logging now inversions, not inversions, delivery. Like if market is delivering off anything, like a low being swept, higher time from low, higher time gap, anything. Okay, get right to it. I'm gonna be looking higher this gap, and on the hourly we can target this high until then. Got the gap close. Got the first high here and then the next high here. Oh. Okay, validated the gap close. Another one. Got the first high and then the next high, we got the double high. Okay, got a pretty good close. Let's see if it formed well. That's a pretty good close. That is like my only possible stop loss placement. So for that reason, I'll target higher to the middle of the 4-hour gap. Damn, sweat me out immediately. The close was bad. Keep getting bad closes. Like I'm thinking of trying to switch, of maybe switching to a 2-candle close instead. This was avoidable. I had just waited for like 1 more minute. Let me lock this. Okay. Let's continue and see if we get another entry. Got the first high here, and the next high here. With the gap close. With the close here. That's my entry. If we do have an entry here, yeah, we do. Wow, we got like nothing to target. This will be my trade. And another bad close. Yeah, I'm just thinking this. How was this a bad close? Yeah, but it closed higher only in the last 10 seconds, so I see how. Still. Got bank holiday on the first day. Got unemployment claims in this one. See if we had an entry on that. With the first eye here, next one here. This could have been an entry. Now that's a really good close. I can also target. Be my target. It will be my kind of target. Swapped out. Yeah, my bias was completely wrong. I don't know why. Been getting a lot of losses here. Well, let's log this, nothing I can do about it. January 2nd, 2025. Entry at 454. And unemployment claims. Finish accumulated and manipulated higher than your distributed lower. Delivering of the gap. Oh, we got this gap. So I'll look for price to go into. Actually, we should be going higher. This is not a gap. Look for a lower from here, though it's 7 p.m. so next hour. The first low here. The next one is here. It's like double low. Got a pretty good close here. Let's see if it formed well. It's a pretty good close. Got free and filled gaps. I can target the second one as well if I need to. That will be my trade. That will be my break even. Well, break even. We got 6. We got orange folder. From this I'll go lower. Look for lower. First low, second low. I'm gonna not give me an entry and then go to target at 7. Oh, was not a single good close here. What the fuck? Like this candle could have been okay, maybe. It's not a bad close. You could do that. I'll trail past that. My break even has to be like around here, so I'd get break even already. That would have been when I got out. Did the trail work? I mean a bit, yeah, but it just chopped. Oh wait, this is not the rooster word I tried to get. Should have still left my stop at the high. Okay, and I'll leave my stop above this gap. Sub the high, distributed lower. I'm gonna put my stop loss lower here. That would have been my actual target. Okay, I'm gonna raise my stop to this high. Actually, we can do this high as well. If we close better, lower. Okay, now I can raise it, put it here. Okay, put it up here, down here. We got 2 consecutive gaps. Put this low at this high side. This high now. Okay, wow, that worked almost so good. Crazy work. Can put it to this high now. 2 consecutive gaps, can put it here. And got me out at this low, at this high, sorry. No, see. And that's a really good trail. That's a really fucking good trail. We got finally some big win here. Made 3.6 first reward. Entry 6th of January. $6.45. Exit at 9:03. Entry at New York AM. Result win, gap close. Was a V shape. Risk 650, made 2,347.69. trailing, made 3.61 was the word. Targeted 1.73. Early gap. High stop. Target type was retracement, short, loose. Now actually at delivery for once. Almost went to the gap, could have like said it delivered off a lower time frame gap. We're chopping at the top. Asia distributed, London continued. Basically just distribution. We got PMI and Schultz here. I'm gonna look for lower. And on the early as well. Damn. First low. Next low. That could be an entry. First low, second low. That's wild. It was a bad close either way. Still, shouldn't have even taken it. I should have been bullish long time ago then. First time, next time. That's a pretty good close. We'll see, I'll enter on that. Target this high. And got stopped out. Haven't been winning a lot here. Like, my win rate has dropped here drastically. I'm just thinking, like, how could I have avoided this trade? Like, there's absolutely no reason. Well, let's log this loss. Entry 806. The delivery of a higher time frame low. Good PMI and jolts. Okay. Asia accumulated. London manipulated. No, actually, both Asia and London accumulated, and New York manipulated both. We got the ADP and piano claims and meeting minutes. And this huge gap to target. Delivering of the gap, I look for a lower. Swap the low. Let's see if we get some longs of that. Had this gap close. First high, then no other highs here. Like, couldn't you have given? I could say this was also high. There was a gap here. And it's also something that happened like recently. I had a loss because of that, because I didn't consider that. And that's an entry. But we're probably, no, we're not in a gap yet. And this high, target. Was this high inside the gap? Got the following gap closed. Can use this gap as a stop loss as well. We got FOMC minutes. To be my break even. Almost at full profit. 9th January. We've got some yellow folder. So this 4-hour low, I look for higher. So this low, gonna look for higher. Oh, I didn't switch. Got hourly earnings, NFP, and unemployment rate. So I'm gonna skip that. 13 January. Got no news Monday. From this gap, I'll look for a higher. So this loss, I'm gonna look for higher either way. First high, next high. This couldn't have been, let's see. No, but this second candle is pretty good, yeah. I'll enter on this one. At the first high, then this following high as well, and the gap itself target. It may stop at that low, target the 4 hour. Damn, and it took me out. And then went higher. It's funny. Second loss in a row, right? Yeah. Man, I don't know. Like, just nothing working. Oh, fuck, we got a 4 hour gap created, that's why. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's good, because that's not a loss. Here we already were inside the 4 hour gap. The first low, then here this low. That could have been an entry. What will be the last trade I take today? It was rejected the last 20 seconds. I'll wait for another one. Okay, that was a pretty good close. Not here to target, basically. Though I know this also is a loss. Yeah. Why? Why? How was that a bad entry? Sure, it was a weak close. Yeah, close. Just kept close. First low, and then no other low. First low, next low. Okay, we had this pretty good looking close. Okay, yeah, pretty good close, but we're inside the gap. Yeah, no entries. Let's see, higher here. Oh wait, we swapped the... we're delivering of the gap. I'll just do one more trade and that'll be done. This session. Couldn't have swept the fucking low. Okay, here we swept. First high, second high. Note 7. Let's just wait for 8. Inside the gap. See if we can get some more longs. Continuation trade. Damn. Good stuff. No interest on this day again. Which name am I? Oh, this yesterday was PPI as well. Wow, like 0 trades. Like on live I'm getting many more trades, but I'm also getting a lot more losses. Like on live I've broken my rules 3 times or 4 times this month. I kinda have a gap, so I look for lower of open. This gap close. First low, second low. At the continuation. We have this following gap close. We don't have any more targets than this. So like this will be my target. There's just like nothing else I can do. Fuck, my stop loss was way too tight. I should just target the next low down here and make a proper stop loss. Was it the 4-hour low? Yeah, so I'll have to go break even. Swept out, then just chops. Let's see if we get some entry long. This hour. Okay, got the gap close here. Got the first high, second high, like a consecutive double high. And that's a pretty good close here. I'll enter on that, target this high. Very unlikely to play out, but we'll see. I'm gonna go break even here. Got to break even, yeah. Really annoying price action in general, like really annoying. Yeah, all-time high conditions are awful. So this high, gonna look for lower. Actually, I have to finish already. I'll just continue another day. Oh yeah, that will be it for today. Yep. Just check the analytics. My win rate dropped a lot here. Still like good win rate considering I have a 1.7 risk reward. If I combine all my sessions as well, my average risk reward is higher. My win rate is like it's okay. 81 trades, 62% win rate. And January is an awful month. Like I've only like had actually like 3 good months and 4 average months. I'm still up on January though. January. Guess I'm still up on it just because of one good win, and there's still like more than half of the month. So we'll see. And also, I think tomorrow I'll make a more special backtesting edition where I'll finish this session and then I will analyze my current results. Actually, we got a 1 month.